Question 146, which says read the statements given below. Statement 1. Micromolecules differ from macromolecules as their molecular weight is usually less than 1000 Daltons. This statement is correct. As you all know that micromolecules, they have molecular weights less than 1000, while macromolecules, they have molecular weights more than 10,000 Dalton, with exception of lipids. Lipids have molecular weight less than 800 Dalton, but still they are included in the category of macromolecules. Statement 2, that is N-acetylglucosamine is the key component of fungal cellulose, and fungal cellulose is chitin, and chitin is a polymer which is made up of N-acetylglucosamine as a monomeric unit. So statement 2 is also correct. So choose the correct option. Option first is the answer for our question, stating both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Question 147. Lipids are not strictly macromolecules because. So first we should know what are macromolecules. Macromolecules are the organic compound which have molecular weight more than 10,000 Daltons. So macromolecules, they have molecular weight more than 10,000 Daltons. Also, they are obtained in acid insoluble pool. During acid analysis. But lipids, they have molecular weights less than 800 Dalton, but they are obtained in acid insoluble pool. That's why they are included under the category of macromolecules. Now you might be wondering, if the lipids, they have molecular weight less than 800 Dalton, then how they are obtained in acid insoluble pool? Because lipids, they are present in structures like cell membranes, membranes of cell organelles. So when the tissue is grinded during the acid analysis, the cell structure get disrupted, and these membrane, they form vesicles which are not water soluble and get separated along with the other compounds present in acid insoluble pool. So lipids, they come under acid insoluble pool. That's why we can say that lipids, they are not strictly macromolecule, because option first, that is they are made up of fatty acid and alcohol. This cannot be an answer. Option 2, that is they have low molecular weight when compared to polymers like starch and glycogen. This is correct reason why lipids are not strictly macromolecule. Option 3, that is they are found in acid soluble pool. This is incorrect because they are found in acid insoluble pool. And option 4, that is they have low melting point. This cannot be an answer. So the correct answer for the question is option 2. That is question 148. Proteins such as trypsin and GLUT4 are. So proteins, you all know that they are made up of amino acids. So proteins, they are made up of amino acid. So let's see our option. Option first, that is heteropolymer of amino acid. Heteropolymers are the polymer which made up of different monomeric units, and you know that there are 20 different types of amino acid which make up a protein. So proteins are heteropolymer of amino acid. Option 2, that is homopolymer of amino acid. Homopolymers are the polymers which are having same monomeric unit, but with proteins, they are made up of 20 different types of amino acid. So this cannot be an answer. Option 3, that is heteropolymer of fatty acid and alcohol. This cannot be an answer because proteins, they are polymer of amino acid. And option 4, that is heteropolymer of monosaccharides. Polymer of monosaccharides are polysaccharides, not protein. So the correct answer for this question is option first. Question 149, which says all of the following are essential amino acid except. So first we should know what are essential amino acid. You know that amino acid, they can be categorized into two groups, that is essential amino acid and non-essential amino acid, depending upon the ability of our body to synthesize it. So amino acid they can be essential amino acid, and they can be non-essential amino acid. Essential amino acid, they are not synthesized in our body. Not synthesized in our body, while non-essential amino acids, they are synthesized in our body. Synthesized in our body. So among 20 amino acids, there are 8 essential amino acids which need to be supplied by our diet, and they include tryptophan, isoleucine, methionine, but alanine is a non-essential amino acid, not essential amino acid. So option 4 is the correct answer for our question. Let's proceed to our next question, that is question 150, which says the component not forming the backbone of bDNA is. Backbone of DNA molecule is made up of sugar, phosphate, sugar chain, and the nitrogenous base. They project somewhat perpendicular to this backbone, but they face inside. So the backbone of DNA is made up of sugar, phosphate, and sugar chain. So in the question it is asked, component not forming the backbone of bDNA is phosphate group. This cannot be our answer because it is present in backbone. Deoxyribose sugar, this also cannot be our answer. Option 3, guanine. Guanine is a nitrogenous base, and the base, they are arranged somewhat perpendicular to the backbone of DNA, and they face inside. So nitrogenous base, they are not component of backbone of DNA, making option 3 as the answer for our question. So let's proceed to our next question.